Hey, what's up you guys? I know it's been a minute. I got a new video for y'all. I don't know, it's a makeup tutorial. I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but I want it to be really sexy and sultry. Like this would be so honestly, before watching this is not for my natural girls out there. This is more like a full beat, like if you're gonna go out clubbing or you're just trying to like do brujeria on some dude when you go out. You're just gonna look good. You're just gonna look good. Like this is full glam. So let's start. I already primed my skin with the Tidal moisturizer by Sunday Riley. This is amazing. It's perfect for combination skin. I low-key feel like it can also be good for normal skin because it's just, I don't know, it's just so soft, but I love it so much. It just smells so fresh. And then after that, to prime, I used my Toofaced Hangover RX primer. Fucking amazing. I love it. It smells like coconut and just tropical island. I'm gonna be trying a few new things to me, you know, because I can't catch up. I don't get PR or anything like that, so I get these from working at Sephora. For new foundations and stuff, I'm using the Dior Backstage. I have to mix it with the NARS Natural Radiant because this one is just a little too dark. I picked the wrong color. And then I also got the Toofaced multi-use sculpting concealer. I got a couple new things. I guess this is like an updated sexy makeup look. So let's get started. For this, the contour is just perfect. I'm trying a new technique here, or a different way to contour the I've been watching a lot of I didn't look at his name, but you guys should know this, he's everywhere. He just transforms into anyone. It's just gonna help define my nose a little bit because I want a little bit more definition. Places I bake is my nose and right below my contour. Those are the only things that I want to look, smile when you do this, look exaggerated. I want it to look weird, like really flawless and sharp. This was a Sephora Pro Mini Flawless Airbrush, if you guys are wondering. Next, I'm going to bronze the out of my face. First, I'm going to use the Dark Deepest Mineralized Skin Finish from MAC because I want a transition. I want to transition just like your eyeshadow. I want to transition a bronzer into a darker one because I feel like if I go straight in with a really dark one, it's just going to look like messy, like your ex, honey. Now I'm gonna go in with the dark shade. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzing powder in mahogany, and I love my contours really dark. You know, ever since I got a tan, these bronzers, they're just not doing it. So after this, I'm gonna use the eyeshadow because it's just not dark enough for me, and I really like a dark contour. So yeah, that just isn't enough for me. I'll probably use something from the Soft Glam. I'll probably use mulberry and sienna mix. It's crazy. Like, people just need to make more shades. Look how fucking poppin' that shit looks. That's like the perfect fucking. Oh my god. It's so annoying because I would see people with lighter skin tones and their contour, their bronzer would be so dark and defined, and ever since I saw that, I just fell in love with it. And it's like I could never achieve it with just a powder or a bronzer because they just don't make shades. They just don't make shades dark enough, and that shit is really fucking annoying. I'm gonna set my face. I usually use the MAC Prep and Prime. This is like the best setting spray ever. I got this Lancôme Fix It Forget It for my job. Thank you, Sephora. Lancôme, holla at me. I love your stuff. I really do. So I only put it on the sides of my face because that's where I tend to be a little dry or normal. So I just want to keep this part of my face hydrated. Since my T-zone gets pretty oily, I'm not gonna try and fuck with it, you know. And we're gonna do highlight. I'm gonna use Trophy Wife and Sandcastle. A little bit to my nose. So this is just your base before you do your eyeshadow. So this is the foundation, highlight, contour with your concealers, contour powders, translucent powders, brows, setting spray. If you guys want to achieve this entire look, just watch my next video. I'll be showing you the eyeshadow routine.